is enjoying the view.
3 months ago, we started a journey of cycling around the world. We started in Germany, then cycled to Austria, Czech Republic, back to Germany, then to Poland, then went down to Slovakia, then to Hungary, and now we are in Serbia. So far, we cycled almost 5,000 kilometers. Join us cycling the most scenic road in Serbia.
Good morning. Today we continue with our tour. This is the view we had the last couple of days, 2-3 days, with beautiful sunsets.
At first we had to cycle down the hill. First Eurovelo sign for today. To the right we could have taken a shortcut to Negotin, but we are taking the scenic road. If you're interested in the exact route we took, you can check out our co-mode profile. The link is in the description. In Negotin, we learned that the couple was from Belgium. There were some stones on the road. We are cycling through 4 tunnels today, and this one is the longest one. It had a button to alert the cars that cyclists are inside the tunnel, but it wasn't quite working.
Leuchtet noch nicht.
They told us to be careful of snakes. And here is the iron gate. The Danube River narrows here to 150 meters. It was darker than it looks here on the camera. From the other side. Here's our third tunnel of today. We have to cycle uphill with an incline of 10%. Here I noticed that I was getting better with cycling uphill. Yoo-hoo! It was a little bit raining here. We found our lunch spot for today. Can you see the face on the Romanian side? Jessy also enjoyed the view. We continued cycling uphill. If you are interested in more photos, you can check out our blog or my Instagram. The links are in the description.
We cycled 10 meters further. We were here before, and now this is the view. Like the weather is getting bad. We can hear a little bit thunder, but it's not on our side. It's in Romania, the bad weather.
Will it come to Serbia?
Now we are on top of the mountain Carpathians, and now we're gonna cycle downhill. It's gonna be fun. Nee, da war ich schneller. Ich guck mal nach. Ja. 53,83. This is where we came from. Goodbye, Carpathians. This is where we are going.
We have reached our destination for today, Kladovo. On the next day we continued cycling. This is the Trajan's Bridge. It is one of the greatest achievements in Roman architecture. It was the longest arch bridge in both total and span length for more than 1,000 years.
Das ist die Turtle Road.
Das andere?
Ja,
Ja, dann fahren wir die Turtle Road.
We were glad that we weren't cycling in this moment. From our experience, Serbians are careful drivers, and this truck was from Poland. And this situation also reflects our experience from Poland. We are happy that nothing happened. This road is also known as Turtle Road because there can be turtles seen, but we haven't seen any. But we have seen many butterflies. noticed a big thunderstorm cell. We needed to hurry to make it safe to Negotin. I just saw lightning on the other side.
Okay, wir müssen noch zum Drachen nicht filmen, du fährst jetzt wie blöd.
Ja.
Wie eine gesenkte Sau fahren wir jetzt.
Yeah. I did not know that I could accelerate so fast.
Sachen greife keiner.
Okay. We made it safely to Negotin. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. While doing maintenance, Matthias noticed there was something wrong with my bike. A fishing line got tangled up in the roll of speed hub. Can we continue to cycle?